Ramadan. The holy month of Ramadan is here, a time for fasting and prayer to revere, a time for self reflection and inner peace, a time for our soul to find its release. From sunrise to sunset, we refrain from food and drink, from all earthly gain. It's a time to purify our mind and heart and to show kindness to every human part. With iftar meals, we break our fast, and with suhoor, we begin the last. We gather with friends and family in love and thank Allah for blessings from above. Ramadan, a time to reconnect, to renew our faith and our spirit to perfect. May Allah bless us with mercy and grace and guide us to the right path to embrace. May the light of Ramadan shine bright and bring peace, love, and delight. Let's embrace this holy time with joy and let our faith and love forever buoy. Thank you very much.